So welcome to turn 14 of United States and the Kuomintang, and I already rolled about development, so they went all to stage 1, these went to stage 2, and Mexico and Argentina and Venezuela got positively influenced. So this is that. Then we do have the buys. The buys are 75 and 3 in the bank. There will be 75 and 3 spent, 1 KMT infantry, 2 marines, 2 transports, 2 militias, heavy cruiser, 2 battleships, fleet carrier, heavy, and 2 heavy battleships. So basically these are all going one step further, which means those 4 units are going to be finished together with those guys, and these guys will be at stage there. So let's just move it. Let's delete one of those. And we start one of those. Correct? Yeah, 6 for 6. That's okay. So we start another heavy battleship. Yeah. Okay, so double checking. Yeah. We also do send Lend-Lease 1 tactical bomber to Free France and 1 tactical bomber to the FAX. Okay. Now, attack moves. That was a hard decision to make, because everything could be well, everything could be wrong. I'm not sure, so I just decided to go for the safe spots, or for one approach. I didn't reach Finder up, so I just have to do what I think might be a good idea, but I'm just not sure. So these are just walk-ins. Then we do have 1 and 1 of those. Also, the fleet number 5 is with these ships, these guys, and these guys. I just put them a little bit different. So this one is going a 1, 2, and these guys are just making a 1. So that means I'm going to shoot with the seaplane and the destroyer with the aim to put them, submerge them. Then the second move will be forcing the strait with these ships, while the airplanes are going to fly normally into Gibraltar, and the yellow fleet is going down there. So basically this is a, how to say, a cleaning move, and these guys are all going to be here to attack into Gibraltar. So Gibraltar is the aim. So I first start with the 1 destroyer and the 1 other guy. Though the 3 is this guy and the 4 is the orange. Blue is a 3. Nice, nice, nice. That's good. So I didn't expect that, but that's okay. And this is actually staying on map. So now comes the other part, which might hurt. Oh, come on, was soll der Scheiß? So just let me move these guys down here. Together with this guy. And I think I can make shore bombardments even if I come from the other side. I'm not 100% sure. Let me double check that. Amphibious assault. Naval combat by screaming force. That is done. Shore bombardment and defending coastal. Shore bombardment attacking ships that have not participated in naval combat displays and may carry out shore bombardment in support of an amphibious assault. The maximum number of shore bombarding ships is equal to the number of ships assaulting land units. So there's nothing set from the same sea zone. So it is the same zone, so I have this one and this one. But first I will have to make it through. I need now 3 dices for the destroyers. And it's forcing the strait is, I think, a 3. Straight, forcing straight. Each surface ship at a 3, so that means the destroyers, no hits. Then the cruiser, no hit. The heavy battleship, no hit. And the heavy fleet carrier, no hit. So they actually all can go through. But these guys are, as I said, flying 1, 2. So this is that. These guys are moving down there with a 42nd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they just moved there. Going inside of this. Oh, it's not surrounded, so they have a bonus. But I hope that it will not be necessary. So what also happens is this strategic rocket is going to shoot over there soon enough, but not for now. And then we do have the amphibious assault, which means the heavy battleship and the heavy cruiser. I think there is no... Okay, so it's a full force, which means a 5 and a 2. 5 and a 2. So this is a 2 and this is a 5. Blue is a 2. Blue is a 2. No hits. Okay, so we do have now the artillery, which is going to fire at 4. Infantry class +1. Okay, it's not infantry class. So that means... of 3. Still a 3. So we have a 3 in defense. First strike for the artillery. No hit. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 for the jets. Only 2 hits. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Times a 1. Statistically it should be 1 hit, which would finish the fight. But who cares about statistics, right? So we have 2 hits, which means this guy and this guy. And we have 2 5s in defense. Any hit should be taken from the Marines. 2 hits. Sucker. Then we have 4 times an 8. There's a hit. Then we have a 5 in defense for the last infantry, which is also a hit. And now I can take a normal unit. So Gibraltar is now back to British. Okay. The airplanes, 1, 2, 3, 4, so they are flying over here. Oh no, they're flying here. 1. Oh, I made a mistake. Wait a second, because I forgot this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Which means I have another 7 in the first round. If that hits, I get back 1 infantry. Come on, baby. No, I don't. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So this guy has to land here with the 6th move. So only 1 jet can be here, which also means that 3 of the guys have to land here. Okay. Then I think I solved this thing. Then we come to the strategic rocket. He has no radar, so he cannot make an try to shoot it down, and he has no improved construction, I think it is, or factory, so it's full damage. So it's 4 damage. So I finished this one, this one, this one. We finished that stuff here. Ah, yeah, now, ooh, I made the wrong thing. Another attack is over here. They both are going over here because there are no planes in reach. So I just can make some, trying to make some damage. So the first guy has a +1. So it's 1 damage. And 2 damage makes 3 damage. Okay. Now, if I read the rules correctly, it says here down there for straights you can move through and draw supply through the same turn as captured. So, as this is a straight, I am actually able to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strategic naval movement. So these guys can go inside of the port, please. Where is my port marker? There's one. And these guys are standing in the zone. Because we have a 4 plus 1, because I still have Wake, Atuikiska and Guam, and I have a +2 for improved logistics, so it's a 7 and it's 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. So the 5th fleet, let's say this is the 5th fleet. There we do not need a seaplane marker. And the 79th. Oh yeah, I can use the 79th army marker. No, I can't. I don't know. Ah, now I know why I built the transport. Okay. Yeah. Well, there's the army. Anyway, I hope I did nothing wrong, but I don't think so. Should work. Not very afraid. Okay, and then what else? I think I have nothing else to move. Oh, sorry, I forgot to make the KMT. KMT is walking inside of this area and trying to attack here, which is 2 times 2. And they would retreat. No retreats, and we have 6 times a 1 where they would retreat. 6 times a 1. No retreats. Now I just hope that he doesn't hit. Then I can try again. Fuck. Shit. Oh, come on. Ah, Dreck. I'm removing 2 infantries. And then comes my buy, which is 1 infantry. So 1 gets up here. I do not continue to fight. Damn. Okay. The winner takes it all, but not me today. And then what else? We do have income for KMT is 5 now. And then the buys of the Americans, they are starting to put some units over here now. So it's 3, 6, 10, 12, 12 points. And there are... No, it's 1 point, right? And 2. 2, 4, 6, 7. So it's still more than enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Am I taking the lead? I think I take the lead. So Kitabutai is gone. Kitabutai is gone. Kitabutai is gone. Okay. Alright. Other buys. These guys are coming. Here. Yep. Then these guys. This one is here. This one is here. Okay, so all buys positioned. Income is now still 62 because I didn't take zones for us, US, with value. So it's 64 plus 12 is 76. So this has to go. This is active. Okay. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Be blessed and so on, you know. Ah, no, wait. These guys are supposed... No, they don't go. That was a first plan if I go for Paris, but I do not go for Paris, so... Sorry, Brits, I think I sent you to death. No, I sent some. Yeah, let's do it. 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 Okay. Now it's done.